Oliver, save me. I'm your fiance.
How could it be possible I'd marry a slut like you? I'm the rightful heir to the Hughes group. You know the person I always loved? Was your sister, Sabrina.
No. What?
Give me the trade secrets and financial data of the Hughes group, and I'll be sure to marry you.
I will. I will do anything for you. You two, you played me.
Ha, that's right. We did play you, you dumb bitch. Theodore Hughes is an idiot to be in love with someone like you.
Why? Why are you doing this to me? No.
Oh, my dear sister. I do hope you're not as stupid as you right?
No. 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 I'll be burning in hell. Teddy? Teddy, what are you doing here?
Diana, I'm here to save you. We have to go. Diana, I'm here to save you. We have to go. Come on.
No, no, I betrayed you. Just let me go. Teddy?
I was wrong. No, I was wrong. I shouldn't have trapped you in the name of love.
You are mine. You are not going anywhere. Lock her up. If she dares to escape again, I'm going to break her legs.
You're safe now. Go, live your life. Be happy.
No, 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 Teddy.
I love you, Diana.
No. No, no, Teddy. Please. Please, please, I was wrong. I failed you, please. If we have a next life, Teddy, let me love you. Let me cherish you.
Theodore Hughes, wedding dress, this new house, and me. Am I back to 3 years ago? This is...
Theodore Hughes, you let me go or I'll kill myself. I'd rather die than marry a demon like you.
How dare you try and run away from me? You are my wife. Even if you want to die, you need my consent. Tie her up and lock her in the bedroom. If she escapes, you'll all be buried alive.
You're a monster! You son of a bitch! No, 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 I have to talk to him. Teddy!
You don't want to marry me because you want to run away with Oliver? How dare you? I loved you with all of my heart, and this is how I get treated like I'm some sort of idiot?
Teddy, Teddy, honey, it hurts. Let me go.
What did you call me? What kind of games are you playing with me right now?
Teddy, please untie me. It hurts.
Untie you? I untie you so that you can threaten to commit suicide again and run away with Oliver? No, I've had enough of this shit.
No, no, I would never run away with Oliver. Never again. Never. Teddy, my love, just untie me. Let me talk to you. Give me a chance.
You better never.
I'm so happy it's not a dream. You're still here. You're still with me.
What? Are you...
Teddy, we caught him.
What are you doing?
Nice to see you again, sister.
Oh, well. What a beautiful honey trap this is, sister. You really are willing to do anything you can to run away with Oliver.
I knew it. I knew you were playing games again.
The person I was kissing is my husband. Do you really call that a honey trap?
Diana, you just tried to run away with Teddy's nephew on your wedding day. Stop quibbling. Teddy, say something.
Shut up!
Did you just slap me?
Yes, I slapped you. How dare you call my husband by his nickname? Teddy, it's not something you can call him.
Teddy! You know what? It's okay, sister. You can take it out on me because I love you. You really need to think about our family and the Hughes family. You can't just ruin this because you want to run away with Oliver.
What a touching speech, sister. But the love of my life is right here. How would I run away with anyone else?
Okay, stop acting, Diana. Gonzalez already caught Oliver. He's waiting for your order.
Okay.
Can I come with you?
Oliver tricked me and set me up. I will make him pay.
Sure, of course. Yeah, if you want to go see Oliver, let's do that. Hopefully you won't cry this time.
Please. It was all Diana's fault. She seduced me. She told me my uncle was a monster and she begged me to save him. Just let me go. I know it was wrong. But I will never do it again. Diana! Thank God.
What? How can you call Teddy a monster?
Uncle! Please just let me explain. It was all Diana's fault. Diana begged me to run away with her. It was her fault.
What, are you gonna save him now?
Diana!
What the fuck?
Oh, that was just a warning.
What the hell is going on here? Diana is supposed to be madly in love with Oliver. What happened to her?
What the hell was that for?
I am Theodore Hughes' wife now. And I'm your aunt. And that means it's my responsibility to teach you a lesson when you don't behave. Right, babe? Right, babe?
What did you call me?
Babe. You don't like it?
Diana Pierce, are you doing this for Oliver? So I can let him go?
Theodore, babe, don't listen to him. How on earth can he compare to you? I would be totally insane to run away with him.
What the hell are you talking about?
Shut up!
What do we do with him now?
Well, although he made mistakes, he's still your nephew, so how about we give him another chance?
Diana, you're still helping him?
Mr. Theodore, your guests have arrived. They're in the lobby now.
Okay.
Well, how about we make him topless and throw him into the lobby?
Are you crazy? There's so many important people out there.
Gonzalez. You heard what Madame said.
Oliver Hughes, you deserved this.
What are you doing?
You recording the topless Oliver Hughes so you can appreciate it in bed later?
What? No, why would I appreciate him?
Diana, you can never leave this house again without my permission.
Why? I humiliated Oliver to prove my heart, but he still wants to imprison me. So he really doesn't have any trust in me. Babe, it was all my fault in the past, but I promise I will behave and I will treat you with all my heart. Can you just not imprison me in this house? Please, babe?
Call me that again.
Babe?
Not good enough.
Is this enough? Is it enough now?
Diana, I can give you your freedom, but you can never see Oliver again.
I won't. I promise. Thank you.
I'm warning you, Diana. You'd better never betray me again. There's no way I can forgive you.
Teddy, how are we going to deal with Diana? Diana Pierce? You will regret this!
It's so late. Why is Teddy not home yet? What?
You ungrateful little bitch! How dare you hit your sister?
What? I didn't.
Come to the hospital right now to give Sabrina a blood transfusion. Come to the hospital right now to give Sabrina a blood transfusion. I will skin you if anything happens to her.
Okay, I'll go.
What took you so long? Where's the doctor? Sabrina needs blood.
I'm sorry for the trouble, sister.
Oh, no, sweetheart, you don't have to be sorry. She should be sorry. What are you standing there? Hurry, get the doctor.
Stop taking my blood. Please, please, please. I'll die if you keep taking it.
Ah, stop being so dramatic. Your worthless life can't compare to your sister's.
But I'm your daughter too.
I almost died when I gave birth to you. You're a jinx. Would have kicked you out of the family a long time ago if your sister Sabrina wouldn't need your blood.
I've come here today to tell you that I won't give Sabrina any more blood.
Oh, Mom, we can't force her to give me blood anymore. She's married to Theodore Hughes. I'm sorry that I'm always sick and making you worry.
Don't be sorry, sweetheart. Why are you not helping your sister? I will call your father to deal with you if you don't give her blood.
Deal with me?
Do you think he dares?
Now that I am Theodore Hughes' wife, and I own half the business empire, I can let you live or I can let you die.
Are you threatening me? You filthy little bitch!
Mom, are you okay?
What? I thought you were too sick to get out of bed.
Anyway, you can't push Mom. Apologize.
I actually just came to say that this was the interest for all the blood you've taken. And everything you took, I will get it back.
It's impossible.
I'm just informing you, not asking for your opinion. What's happening? Could it be that syringe?
Oh, sister, are you okay?
Get away.
You think you won? Hey, Oliver. I have some news in regarding how to destroy Diana Pierce. The good news is you won't have to get your hands dirty, because Theodore Hughes will do it for you. But you will have to cooperate with me.